this tutorial we are gonna learn about how to draw this unicorn character with few simple tools, tips and tricks in Photoshop. Let's get started. So first of all, draw a circle, then try to make some curved shapes like this. Lose your hand and just hold your breath, then make S kind of shapes in different angle like I am doing for the hair. Then add some simple flowers or stars or anything, any simple things for decoration. For coloring, use lasso tool and don't forget to keep all the elements in separate layers, even the head and the body. Just redraw the shape with lasso tool and hit Alt plus backspace for the foreground color in case you want to add the foreground color. Okay? Now it's time for shading. As I'm making this character a bit colorful and magical, so I'm using different colors. Remember, we should have to apply transparent lock option on the layer panel so that our color won't go outside of the shape. Now, by the way, here I have taken the simple soft rounded brush and then just minimize your brush size. Just draw some stroke lines according to the shape. This will make the hair. Play with color. Initially draw with darker colors, then apply the lighter color for highlighting area. Now repeat the process. remember, the more time you will give on your drawing, the more beautiful it will come out. Okay, in this drawing I have given more or less 5 hours, maybe 4 to 5 hours, but I know if you want to spend more times on these drawings, then your drawings will come more beautiful than mine. Okay. So hope you guys enjoy my video and have learned something. If you do so, please hit the like button, and if you are new and want to know more about art, both hand drawing and digital, then please do subscribe my channel. In this channel we usually talk about art, the process, the tips and tricks of hand drawings and digital. So stay tuned and stick with this channel, with this group, and let me know in the comment section below your feedbacks. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Till then,